VeryDarkMan and BLord. People they ask me say, Geh Geh, this thing wey VeryDarkMan do to BLord, e dey proper? Is it right? What's your opinion as a financial expert? You no understand. Wetin VeryDarkMan do to BLord before God and man is very, very wrong, and at the same time e dey right. I go explain.
Hey guys, so this is BLord. So yesterday I told my staff in China to order this iPhone XR that was converted to 17 Pro. My brother, it didn't even take up to 24 hours. The phone is in my hand now. I was like, it came in a brand new carton, and this phone is selling for less than 400k. So follow me and unbox it. Let me see the one that China are doing. This is XR, but they converted it to a 17 Pro, like the upgrade. You know the way they upgrade G-Wagon. Make I see. See, I'm sealed though. It's sealed. This will not be clone. No. This is direct iPhone. It can do whatever iPhone is doing. Just that the phone, the panel is XR. Well, then the casing is 17 Pro. Your name is not going to even know. Let's see. Jesus Christ. Hey, you will never know. Nah, lie. This phone is sold for less than 500k. This phone is around 450k. Make I honor. But for those of you where they find iPhone where you want buy, see 450k, you don't collect this phone, 450. As you put them for mirror. Now who you test na SR go believe. And I still this is my old, this is the original 17 Pro Max. What is different from the back? What is different here? Did you see any difference?
Alright, so BLord, if like say you don't know say I did for China. BLord, it seems you don't know that I'm in China. So as I was coming back, I see one advert where you do now about iPhone XR that had been modified to iPhone 17 Pro. Now, the question is, what do you even know about the phone? I will give you a full breakdown of that phone and the price. Because I see you say now 450,000. You won't extort. Why? Why? But anyways, I'll give you, see, here. I'll give them breakdown now. But let's listen to your advert.
Hey guys, so this is BLord. This phone's just arrived now. This phone can do airdrop. It does everything. Just that saying an SR day inside for inside 17 Pro body. That's the only thing. And it's selling for 450k.
Alright, so what BLord is saying is true. That is an iPhone. The iPhone where everybody uses. That's airdrop, very clear camera and everything. But it's an iPhone XR that have been put in the casing of iPhone 17 Pro because it actually matches. But what BLord does not know is that they have two types, and I'll show you the two types because I know say no. Me, I don't go the exact place where they do everything down to the packaging and everything. I'll take you through it now. As you can see on my screen, XR to 17 Pro, there are two types. There's a one that they toggle the mute button, where they push the mute button, and there's another one that's an advanced one. Where they press the button to mute. As you can see, now as they come, I quickly order and made a bring them. See, tear leather. I'll tell you the price that they come. I'll not just tell you the price, I'll tell you how to buy. Tear leather, wait. Tear leather. So if I open and say finish, like saying I dash, I go dash all this one. I don't remove the leather. See, sealed. Ready, sealed. See I go tear am. Sealed. You see am, abi? Sealed. Sealed again. Now even two places they see. Sealed. See the charger. See am. See am. Cha clean. Very, very clean. Make our own now. Same size. See, exactly an iPhone 17. It's not like it's a fake or it's a copy. It's not a fake and it's not a copy, but it's just XR that's inside, because XR screen size and 17 Pro screen size, they matches the body, everything. It's just the camera and some features that have been advanced. Now it keeps saying that it's a new one, it's a new iPhone. It's not new. There's no XR, it's not new. What they do that make it look like it is new is they get some things that they'll change. They go remove the battery, they go change them, they will put a newer battery. They'll just clean the speakers and everything. Again, the package, I'll take you through it. But anyways, to cut the long story short, this is one color. I don't first see another one. I go open now. Again, I go open all three colors. Okay, so blessing. This one too. They still put the same color mistakenly. See, new one as well. With the charger as well. I'll still open the third one again. Then I'll come put your price for now. This is another color, as you can see. See the charger, follow them, as you can see. See, this is another color. I'll still open it, right? I don't first press on. See, it's on. Do you know when they package this phone? They package this phone in less than 5 minutes for me when I called and I ordered for it. How much is this phone? This phone is going for, to deliver them for Nigeria now, 280,000 naira. Nine BLord saying at 450,000. This phone is 280. BLord own now 128 gig. I can get you the one of 256 gig. I'm going to put a number now on my screen. Right? There's a number on my screen. Contact them on WhatsApp. Now me, the partner, I tell the guy, I go meet the Chinese guy. I tell him, say, I want a cheaper one for my people. Exactly how much they sell them. If you want to add small thing. Do you understand? Then they can calculate logistics, how much they'll take transport and go Nigeria. Everything in total. And up to like 280,000 naira. 280. So if you want to buy, there's a number on your screen. You contact them. I will need to cut this video because that's number there. Me, I know you like cut video. But I'll need to cut them, then call the video again. Give me a second. Let me call. So there's a number on your screen. It's called Wanyi Phones and Accessories. Naija for China, right? 090 plus 234 090 3428 1962. Just to order. If you want, as many as you want. If you want 1,000 pieces, you get 1,000 pieces. And guess what? It will even be cheaper. If you want 1,000 pieces, we go see price. And this one now, this 280,000, I know price go far. I know price go far at all. So the more person buy, the more they will reduce the price. But anyways, what am I trying to say? I will not let you extort anybody. I don't know a lot of things for this China. And I saw you BLord. Now, for the people that want to also buy an original iPhone 17, for Nigeria, they sell them 4.something million, 3.something million for a year. It not rich like that. I just see some people 3 million, it not rich. Now 2.something they sell a year. 2.something, that's what they sell it here. Not be copy, not let them talk all those talk where they tell China na lie. This is where they do all the one that they buy for Nigeria now. So now see what I will do.
Why BLord on the part? He not do anything wrong as a businessman. Now, what's happened between VeryDarkMan and BLord? BLord come online as a businessman, go post some phones, iPhone SR with a clone to look like iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is that phone when I buy as the first person in Delta State. That my phone. So where? Okay, it did that side. So that phone, so I buy my own 4.5 million naira. 4.5 million naira. And BLord don't bring the one will be say it look like exactly the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but na SRO. He got the seller for 450,000 naira. And VeryDarkMan, being VeryDarkMan, and he dey China now. He got bring the number, the details and the contact of the person with the seller direct from China. Where if it will be like come Nigeria with shipping and everything for 250,000 naira. And BLord is sell for 450. Now what the Apple be that? So everybody has to say, that thing where VeryDarkMan do it right. First of all, it did wrong in the sense that whether you like it or not, the goal of every businessman is to make profit. So what the BLord do not really wrong. His goal as a businessman is to make profit. And VeryDarkMan exposing the contact of the supplier for China. Not really me say BLord will rip Nigerians. How? Because not be BLord producer, he buy from that person as a middleman. So if he's also selling, he still need to make profit. Because not be produce the phone, he buy. As he buy, so you go pay that person money. As they say, you go still need to make your own profit as a businessman. Whether the profit margin too high or not, it's not bad. Now businessman it be. Every business person go do one. Then why see where VeryDarkMan not called they right? Since where BLord never want do that business, you not go expose the secret. You have been in China for over many days. You not do one. Now they fought today. But see where you got a day right. If you see where Nigerians fit get something cheaper, they save their money. And that Ogoleki. You see where Nigerians want buy something very expensive. Because they know this thing I sell for China, they sell for a lesser amount to Monaco buy for here where they cheaper. They do right as a normal true Nigerian. You know that. So it's wrong for spoiling BLord business, because if to say BLord not talk about the thing before, but in all essence, it's still there because he wants to save Nigerians their money. Because there's no way we say something where they sell normal 200k, 250. I want to go buy for 450. If I call discover saying that man they sell like this, you get one thing where I change for my car, one cover of something. Bro, I pay 70,000 naira for the thing. 70,000 later they call discover say they sell the thing for 17,000. That body the money not mean anything to me, my body boy me day break, I not sleep. When I discover say one person tell me so this is 70k they sell am, and I pay 70k. I cry they break. The thing it boy me, I know that's how my life be. Let me say someone they say 2,000 naira, you go tell me say 20,000 naira. If I pay the 20,000 naira, don't be say the money mean anything to me, but if I know say that thing I supposed to buy for 2,000, I go later buy for 20,000. I feel cry all my life they break. It be like say they use me, the thing they boy me. Then finally, what will be your goal? People when they buy all this type of phones, what's your goal in life? Knowing fully well say that phone you will not be iPhone 17 Pro Max, say na iPhone SR the way they clone to look like 17. What's your purpose in life? So you carry to something, go buy the fake. Why Nigerians dey like this? What I buy 4.5 million naira? You won't carry 750k buy and just to feel among. Are you not you are deceiving yourself? If I give that phone, you go take them. Let me know in the comment section. If I buy those second, I be one buy it for 11, give people before. When I want to open I also open my museum. So one of the goals when they do, when I do my son's birthday, I give out 10 iPhone 11. And that day when I want to put that in my house, I want to give out 100 iPhone 11 to people when they go they create content. They use social media, make they active online. Now what I want to go, social media changed my life, and I believe say for that person put effort, if it's change your life to go and try your luck. So I'm giving 100 iPhone 11. So between that 100 iPhone 11 I won't give out, or this clone 17 Pro Max, which one I want? Let me know in the comment section. God bless you. Geh Geh.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.